I got a package to open with you guys, and this package is from the brand called Stay Golden Cosmetics, and I'm going to show you what I got. But one of the things that I know that I got is a glitter lip kit, and so we're going to try it out. But the first thing I got here is this Shea Coconut Glow Body Scrub. And then I got, here's one of the lip kits. It's a glitter lip kit, and this is in the shade Baby. It's like a really like pinky one, so I might use this one since we're going pink today. And what else? Oh, and I got another glitter lip kit, and this one is also pink, and this is the shade Sweetie. It's just like a little bit different of a pink shade. Okay, then I got this, what is this? A matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Portland. Let's open this up and see how she looks. This is the packaging, by the way. Super cute. Ooh, this is a super pretty shade. I love that. I love nudes, so that's perfect. And looks like the last thing we got in here is this. Not sure what this is. Oh, Shea Coconut Glow Hydrator. Okay, so I have the two glitter lip kits here. One's like a lighter pink, and then one's more of a hot pink. I think we're gonna go with Baby. It's like a lighter pink, and we're gonna do this one. Okay, so with it, it comes with a little mini lip liner, an applicator. This is the glitter gloss bond, and then the glitter itself. So let's try it out. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the liner. Okay, so the liner's on, and now it says to use the gloss bond. Ooh, it's white. Okay, sorry, I can't really talk, but now I'm gonna put the glitter on. Ooh, that's pretty. Let me zoom in. Okay, putting the glitter on. This is actually super pretty. So I wasn't really sure how this was gonna turn out, but it actually turned out super pretty. I probably need some more practice with it, but glitter lips, new trend. I'm calling it now.